First, open the URL for the main experiment in the Chrome browser. Now enter the participant ID and the password given in the email. Now click on the trial project available to become familiar with the CAT tool and the experiment. You can now see the source segment on the left and the target segment on the right. The target segment is the one that needs to be post-edited, and it is the machine translation of the source. And there are 3 buttons in the center which helps you with the post editing. The first one is the undo button, which lets you revert your changes. The second is the redo button, and the third is the confirm segment option, which needs to be clicked after you're done post editing the segment. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+V for undo, Ctrl+Y for redo, and Ctrl+Enter for segment confirm. Now you can see that the target is colored, and the coloring is based on QE. So QE stands for quality estimation, which is basically estimating which words might be correct and which words might be incorrect. Since the quality here is represented by 2 colors, namely green and red, this is binary visualization. Green color depicting correct words and the red color depicting mistakes in the translation. However, this is just an estimate of the quality. In the main experiment, you will get QE output of different qualities, some better and some worse. So while post editing the target segment, focus on correctness but avoid unnecessary stylistic changes. Post edit until you're satisfied that you have fixed all the mistakes in the target segment. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm convinced that I've fixed all the mistakes. So I'm going to click the confirm segment option. After every segment confirm, a pop-up appears asking you to rate the word level quality estimation. So if you want to take a break, do so only when the pop-up is on. Otherwise, our time measurements will be inaccurate. Go through the segments one after the other from top to bottom, and there is no need for you to go back to a segment even if you later on notice that there was something that you could have corrected differently. You can use additional resources if you want. This is optional though. So just click on the word in the source segment whose translation you're unsure of. And in the Lingui, you can see the translation and the usage. Continue post editing. Since the quality here is represented by colors ranging from green to red, this is gradient based visualization. So green and red forms the 2 ends of the spectrum. And the darker the green color, the more accurate the word is, and darker the red, the more inaccurate the word is. This is again just an estimate. So yeah, I feel it's accurate, so I'm just gonna click on segment confirm option. So after you're done exploring the trial project, click on the home button and get started with the main project. So click on the main project and continue doing the same process of post editing. So we thank you for your time and participation.